I absolutely love this portable whiteboard easel. It's a nice size. My husband actually bought it for work, for his office, and since becoming a homeschool family, I actually stole it and took it upstairs. But it's great. I love the size of it. I love that it's easily moved. It's lightweight. So you can see here, all you do, if you don't want to have it out, you just pop this part up and you have it flat, and so you could tuck it away if you need to. I personally like to keep it out. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it's definitely a good size. It does also have these clamps up here that if you need to put some paper or one of those big notepads that you want to write on, or you just write with a normal whiteboard marker, and we definitely love it. The kids love drawing on it as well, and then I use it if I need to put something up here for them to visualize. It's definitely, it was a great buy for us for business or homeschool, or really any purpose you need a whiteboard for. Definitely recommend. It's lightweight, easy to move, easy to store, and it's good quality. And it erases really well. I just like to use a white cloth to do it, but you could use one of those whiteboard erasers and you'll be all set.